Tenant states, ice buildup in the freezer. Anyone who's been watching my videos has definitely seen me do this repair a couple times. Very common for all refrigerators, but it just so happened that last time I did it on an older Whirlpool, and now I'm doing it on a much newer Whirlpool. That whole back part is frozen right to the bottom, so you gotta kind of bend it to bust it out of there, but it's only thin sheet metal. It can all be bent back, don't worry. So, those of you that don't know, this happens because the rear drain that lets all the water out of the freezer is clogged, and none of the water can get out, so it just builds up. There's your drain. You can see when I squeeze it, some water comes out. All that, there should be no water left in there. We're gonna pop that cap off and take a look inside. Yeah, see all that jello nastiness? We're gonna get that out of there. Fill up some hot water to start flushing the system out and melting some ice. All that water that sits underneath the fridge, that all just evaporates. The motor is right next to that, and the fan is right next to that. So it's kind of warm and dry down there. So you never really have an issue with too much water building up in that lower tray. We're also going to clean up my mess. When you pull the fridges out, it brings pretty much everything that's underneath the fridge forward, and so you never want to leave that mess behind. This one's all set, ready to go.